Master your pronunciation with minimal pairs, a comprehensive guide. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to tackle an exciting and practical topic in our journey to master English pronunciation and reduce our accent. The topic for today is using minimal pairs to improve pronunciation. If you're wondering what minimal pairs are, don't worry. We'll explore what they are, why they're important, and how to use them to dramatically improve your pronunciation. Let's dive in. Minimal pairs are words that only differ in one sound. For example, consider the words pat and bat. They're exactly the same except for the first sound. The difference between these two words might seem tiny, but it can completely change the meaning. Understanding and practicing minimal pairs is crucial for improving pronunciation and listening comprehension. Why bother with these minimal pairs? Well, they are incredibly valuable because they help us distinguish and produce different sounds in English. Sometimes, as language learners, we struggle with sounds that are not present in our native language. Minimal pairs provide a practical way to isolate these troublesome sounds and practice them in a context that clearly shows their importance. Now, let's learn how to identify minimal pairs. Remember, we're looking for pairs of words that are identical except for one sound. Here are a few examples. Ship and sheep. Full and fool. Bet and bat. Try to listen to the difference, and then pronounce them. This will help you tune your ear and your pronunciation to the nuances of English sounds. Here's where the fun begins, practicing with minimal pairs. There are several ways you can practice. Reading aloud. Take a list of minimal pairs and read them aloud, focusing on the different sounds. Listening practice. You could also listen to the pronunciation of these pairs online or in language learning apps. Listen carefully and try to notice the differences. Writing exercises. Write down what you hear. This can help to reinforce your comprehension and pronunciation. Remember, practice is key. The more you use minimal pairs, the better your English pronunciation and comprehension will become. So there you have it, the magic of minimal pairs. We've learned that these pairs are an excellent tool for improving pronunciation and reducing accent. They help us focus on the critical, sometimes tricky sounds in English. Remember, the more you practice with them, the better your pronunciation will get. As always, keep practicing and keep learning. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to helping you further improve your English language skills in our next video. See you then!